Wi-Fi password reveal part 2. So gagamitin naman natin ngayon CMD. Check muna natin kung naka-connect. Press Windows, type CMD, enter. Then copy nyo lang yung nasa screen. NetSH space WLAN space show space profile space name equals space then yung name ng Wi-Fi. Isa akin scoop. Ano lang naman to, dummy. So type nyo lang yung Wi-Fi name. Tapos space, key equals clear. Then enter. Ayun, makikita na natin yung password. Yung key content. Alright. For more video like this, just hit like and follow. Thank you!